Hello guys, we back with another video. So guys, today we're gonna build a McDonald's. We're gonna build a McDonald's. Cause I wanna own a restaurant. Uh, mm, oh guys, it's at morning now. So our our restaurant will be here. So our restaurant must be like, let me tell you the color. It's red, yellow, and white. Yeah. What am I doing? Let me get the blocks. So guys, we got the yellow blocks and the red blocks. So let's start with the what? With the wall. I'm gonna start like this. Yeah. Yeah, I'm start like this. And the entry is gonna be like this. Then like this. Yeah. So let me quickly do the entry. Right? Let me quickly do the entry. No, the wall. Quickly. So guys, I gotta close this hole here. This little hole here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cover this. Yeah. Okay guys, I just finished up this. I make some fries and the McDonald's packet. I know it's not clear, but I tried. At least I tried. So let's carry on making the whole shoe. I'm making a restaurant. Move. Yeah, move. You didn't hear me? Move. Move. Go. Go. So let's finish up this. Alright, I just finished the walls. Now we just need windows. We also got yellow windows to match with this. So let us just place this. We're done with the first row. As you can see, it's matching. So let's do the second row. So we're done with the yellow windows. Now it's time for the second floor. Let's start like this. So for the floor, we're gonna place this red block. Oh, this is gonna take long. Oh. Guys, please try to get me up to 1,000 likes and subs. Please subscribe, because I have no subscribers. This is my first time doing a YouTube channel. So I'm trying. Yeah. Now guys, I am done with this floor. Now I'm just building the floor here, just here. Can you see? I just did half. So that took long, and I put lights, cause yo, it's stuck. Let's put it